is BreAnnaTaylor, and this is my explain and solve for the week. So I decided to do the Code Wars route because it's what I'm familiar with, and I am tired of talking to ChatGPT. I talk to it way more than I would like. I'm not a huge fan of AI. I use it because I have to, but so this one that I'm doing, it wants you to, or wants me to return the nth even number. So how this works is that my input is going to be the number, the even number that it's searching for on the number line. So if I put in 1, it's going to return 0 because that's the first even number. If I put in 3, it's going to return 4 because 4 is the third even number. So we are, and it's only going to take in an argument of an integer n. So the way that I think that this will work, right, is, so we're like counting up. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's saying that the even numbers, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's as far as I'm going to go on the example. Right? So this is what's happening here simultaneously. So there's a formula here that, so this is going to be unconventional. So I'm going to actually take out pen and paper. So I would say, so it'll be n, you subtract 1, and multiply by 2. So it won't take n0 at all. So 1 minus 1, and then even it times 2 equals 0. So that's the first one. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And then we'll even it by multiplying it by 2. That equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Well, that's already even, but we're doing a formula here, so it's 2, so that equals 4. So that's the third even. Yeah, so all right, so we're cooking with gasoline here. So the formula needed is going to be the number minus 1 times 2. So that's what we got here. So now I have to just write that in a int even equals 0. So we have even, and that's going to be what is returned. So we'll do n minus 1 minus 1 times 2 . Let's see. Example test expected 0 but was -1. Oh, maybe I should. Yeah. Okay. Woohoo. All right, so I'll attempt it. Nice. All right. Submit when ready. So I'll just take that out. Then submit. Nice. So there's one. And I'll see how long this video is because I don't know how long I talked. But if it's like less than like 9 minutes, then I will do another one. I found another one. I just started recording without, or I just started doing it without recording. So what this one does is that it wants you to get two integers, a and b, that can be positive or negative, and to find the sum of all of the integers between and including them. So I went and Googled a formula for adding a series of numbers together, and this is the formula that it gave me. So I am currently on, so I did min and max. I did min to establish the bottom number of the series and then the maximum number of the series. So now what I am assuming I would be able to do to get the number, or to get the n in the formula, is, I'm going to actually put the formula here so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So formula is S for sum equals n a plus b . Yep, I think that's how that would look. Pretty sure that's how that would look. Alternatively, the sum of the first n positive integers can be calculated. Okay, I don't want the positive integers. I want the series regardless. So yeah, it would be n times a plus l, and all of that's in parentheses divided by 2. So a plus b, all in parentheses divided by 2. That works. Okay, so n would inherently be all of the numbers, so the max minus the min, and then plus 1 to include the minimum number. So whatever number it missed, it would add 1 to that to make it fully inclusive. And then int sum equals n. I'm going to just copy that, paste that, test it. Reach the end of file while parsing. What did I do? Oh, I don't have that. Let's see. Missing return statement. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Return some. Oh my god. Will that work? Yeah. Okay. Attempt. Yes. All right. That should equal about 10 minutes. So I am feeling pretty proud of myself as a programmer right about now, honestly. So yeah, have a good evening, morning, afternoon, whenever you're seeing this. And yeah, I will see you next Sunday.